Hello team, I hope you are doing well. Today I am going to show you how to use the Seller Net Sheet. The first step is to click on the Seller Net Sheet button. In the input screen, enter all the necessary information such as location, loan type, loan balance, cutting interest rate, closing date, and more. You also have the option of entering the exact address so that the calculations are more precise. When you have finished entering the necessary information, scroll down to the bottom and click on Calculate. Here you will be able to see the summary information of the payments to be made, such as the sales price, current loan, prorated tax, prorated interest, and the closing cost. You can also click on See Closing Cost to see in detail each of the aspects calculated to obtain the results, such as escrow fee, prorated taxes, homeowner's policy, home warranty, seller agent fee, and more. To share or print the results, click on the Output button. There you will be able to see a report with a summary of the calculations and also each of the calculated aspects in detail. If you want to share the report, click on the Share button and select how you want to share it. In this example, we will send a PDF to an email. Times 12. Precision, speed, and power in the palm of your hand.